Good morning, dear students. We are going to revise QBasic programming again, as it is little bit logical things over there. So today I am going to discuss a program to swap two variables. Means we are going to swap the values of variables. So first what we have to do, we have to take two variables जिसकी वैल्यूज हम कुछ असाइन करेंगे या इनपुट करेंगे. देन वी आर गोइंग टू टेक एन एम्प्टी वेरिएबल इन विच we are going to keep the value of one variable and then swapping is going to happen. Means if we have to exchange the values, we need a blank variable in this program. So first statement would be as usual rem command. So on the board, would you be able to see first statement is rem statement and message is to swap the values of variable. In the second statement I have written CLS and third statement is input enter two values m and n which we are going to swap. Means the value of m is going to n and the value of n is going to get stored to m. Next statement, let c equal to 0. It is an empty variable which we are using as a element through which we are going to swap the values. So now the statement would be, since c is empty, we can store the value of m to c. Now we are having value of m at two places, in m itself and in c itself. Now we can overwrite m now because we have copied the value to c. So we can overwrite the value of we have overwritten the value in the line number 2. Here I have written whatever is stored in n, it should be overwrite to m. In line number 1, what I have done, I have stored the value of m to c so that the copy of m is already there with me. Second line denotes I have overwritten the value of m. Now I am having the value of n at two places, in m and n, right? So now I can overwrite the value of n with c. This is line 3. So now I will write the print statement. The swap values m, n and n. Once you are going to print the values, you will be able to see that the values are swapped. Means the value of m is going to replace the value of n, whereas n is going to have a value of m. Like किस तरीके से हुआ है, सपोज आपको ये नहीं करना है कॉपी में, आपको इतना ही प्रोग्राम लिखना है कॉपी में, ठीक है. जो अब आगे मैं कर रही हूँ, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू इन द फेयर कॉपी. सपोज व्हाट आई हैव एंटर्ड, हियर आई हैव एंटर्ड 4 और n की वैल्यू मैंने दी थी 5. दिस इज ओनली एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर यू ऑल. दिस इज ओनली एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर यू ऑल. Only this much you are going to write it in the fair copy. अब जो एक्सप्लेन करने जा रही हूँ वो कॉपी में नहीं लिखेंगे, ये 4, 5 भी नहीं लिखना है आपको कॉपी में. So suppose I have entered 4 for m and 5 for n. In this particular line, means line number 1, in c and n, c holds value 4 and m holds value 4. Am I clear? Right. Now m, n, whatever value n is having, it is going to show to m. N is having 5. Now m is also having 5. First value exchange over here. First value is exchanged over here in this particular block. Right? Now, in the next statement, what I have written? N, C. Whatever C is having. C is having this value 4. And now, what N is also having? 4. You can see N is now 4 and M is now 5. What we have entered? N is 4 and N is 5. This is how we have swapped the values. I repeat. See, from here, in this is a particular logic to swap the values. In line number 1, whatever value M is having, it is going to store to C. And the copy of M is already created. Whatever value is in M, the copy of M is created. Now, since copy of M is already created to C, we can override this M. हमने N की वैल्यू को M में स्टोर करा दिया, यानी कि N की वैल्यू से M को ओवरराइड करा दिया. तो पहला एक्सचेंज जो है वो यहाँ पर हो गया लाइन नंबर 2 पर. और दूसरा एक्सचेंज हमने क्या किया? C में हमारे पास N की वैल्यू थी, हमने वो N पे ओवरराइड करा दी. दिस इज हाउ वी स्वैप द वैल्यूज. This is how we have swapped the values. In the next video, I'll be swapping variables again, but without using the third variable. इस प्रोग्राम को अपनी कॉपी में आपको करना है without the explanation part, without the calculation part. I am repeating the same thing again. Please गलत मत कीजिएगा. Next program would be without using the third variable. Till then, thank you so much. और मैंने नर्चरिंग होराइजन के 3 पेजेस आपको करके भेजे हैं, उसको भी कॉपी में कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.